Hello, in this video I will test our update for desktop account creator and show how to set it up to get the best result out of application. This is the project where I'm going to be uploading accounts. I created two networks, Web2 and bookmarking networks, tutoring 2 and tutoring 2 bookmarking. You can see there are no accounts, no blogs, and switching and launching RankWyz account creator. When you launch an application, you need to enter your username and the API key. I already have it stored, so I launched the application without re-entering data. Let's start with the projects tab. So in usernames, you enter one by line, usernames for the accounts the way you want it to be. Password can be blank, then system will create auto-generated password. This is a block title. You can see the math tutor, English tutor, and so on. So not too many options. And tagline. This is test, and this is for my tutoring network. You can save the project. Once you enter information, you can save it and later on load. Let's say this is my yoga project and tutoring project. You can modify it and save it again if, let's say, you decide to add a science tutor. The next option is the network where you want to upload. I just showed you so that I created a network. You scroll down. This is my project tutoring 2 Web2 network, and the same for the social. Social, it's bookmark. The next option I will highly recommend to leave without changing, because it's very unlikely so that you come up with a username that is unique. If you looking to create targeted username, let's say, as in my case, math tutor. So application will add random number of letters and numbers, and you can specify how many. Of course, the longer your username, the less might be a randomizer, but unless you have some specific reason, you can leave it like this, untouched. Then options. This is how many threads. So I'm running 3 proxies. So I'm going to be using proxy. You can right click on the list and remove clear proxies, import new list. Capture service. So application support deCAPTCHA, dev by capture, and to capture. So you need to enter your credentials, username, password, or API key for in a case of to capture. This is the mails. So we have several built-in providers: Hotmail, Yahoo, Gmail, Mail.ru. Or if you use your own settings, you select custom and specify the host and port. So I'm going to be using Mail.ru accounts, and they are as suggested in the format email, semicolon, password. And the tab for services, meaning the sites where you want to create accounts. I'm going to be using them all. Right click, check all, right click, check all. You can see that total 66 sites selected. And it's important to notice that the application will run the whole set for every account, the email you entered. So in my case, I entered 6. So the system will run for every email an account for each app. So ideally, like if let's say there is a 100% success rate, there for each site I will have 6 accounts. Everything looks set up. I paused the video once again to update capture with my real username and password, and I'm ready to start an application. So the application is running, and you can tell by the services tab, because you see the log. You can see that 11 blocks were created. So I will stop the video and we'll do the and we'll continue once all 6 sets are completed to see that how many accounts I have in my RankWyz account uploaded. And now the application is completed. I can see that I have 276 live blogs in the network added by the desktop creator, account creator. They are from different sites, and wherever it is available, they have username, title, and tagline, English tutor. Now, with all the best effort, it's still far less from 100% success rate. So what else can we do to improve success rate? First of all, is proxies. Well, some of the criteria, some of the factors are out of our control. Sites that might be interrupted, timed out, and it happens with the Web 2 sites, not the premium pack. Emails very often comes late and application misses, and you can see in the log that one attempted creates account, another one has failed, another one again creates. It could be captcha error, so you can see in the log again, so that like when the application, and of course we use third-party captcha Solent services, or there's some percentage of that captcha recognized wrong. And proxies. A lot of sites, like even if you use private proxies, I don't think many proxy providers really assign them to one user. So there is a pool of proxies, and with the limited number of IPs overall in the internet, like this IP4 problem, pretty much all major proxy providers are known, IP ranges are known, and many Web 2 sites are on social sites like Facebook, and known for that, are blocking proxies by just IP. In addition, many implement the policy that limited number of accounts you can create from the same IP. Let's say one IP, one account. So if you are using, let's say 5 proxies, and you're positive they are great, so it's still very limited how many accounts you can create a day. Well, it's not limited, like if you have 5 runs for all accounts, so you probably have few hundred accounts created, but still this is a limitation. If you see that I use in this case 1,000 proxies, and still have proxies problems, see in the log very often. Well, this is the nature of the connecting to the site, to other site through the proxy, especially if this proxy is accessed in multi-threaded way by other applications. Anyway, the advantage of this, so despite of the some of the failed processes. Overall, this is an easy way to create 270 something blogs, and you can do it all day, every day, and have as many accounts as you need for Web2 networks. Thank you for watching.